Erasmus Mundus 2027 applications are opening in the next few months, and this scholarship pays you to study. Full tuition covered, up to 1,400 euros a month, and your flight and insurance paid too. In this video, I will show you exactly how to apply. Quick promise, before we start, everything I show you today is free and goes straight to the official application. No agent, no consultants, no shortcuts. If that is the kind of channel you want, hit subscribe. I post verified scholarships and visa info every week. Let me clear up what actually is. Erasmus Mundus isn't one scholarship at one university. It's a collection of joint master's programs run by a group of universities across Europe. That means three things. One, you get a joint or double degree from two or more universities. Two, you study in at least two different countries during the same program. Three, it's open to students from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're from. Here is what you need before you ever think about applying. Bachelor's degree, or you are in your final year and you graduate before the program starts. Your degree needs to be from a recognized university. Strong academic results, because these programs are competitive. And here is the part nobody tells you. You need to match the specific program's requirements. So, what a background in engineering, others in social science, or health. There is no one size fits all application. Here is why timing matters right now. The European Commission just approved thousands of new Erasmus Mundus programs for the 2027 intake, and most of them will open applications between October and November 2026. That's a tight window. So the earlier you shortlist your programs, the better. Step 1, find your program. You do not apply through one big portal. Every Erasmus Mundus program has its own website and its own application form. Go to the official Erasmus Mundus catalog and filter by field you studied. Write down 2 or 3 programs that actually fit your degree. Step 2, check the deadline and the documents. Deadlines varies by program. Some close as early as November, others run into January or February. Always check the program's homepage. You will typically need your transcript, a CV, a motivation letter, and usually 2 recommendation letters. Step 3, apply directly to the consortium. You can apply to a maximum of 3 different Erasmus Mundus programs per year. The application itself is free. If someone is charging you to apply, walk away. Step 4, wait for the results. If you are selected, the scholarship covers your participation cost, your monthly allowance, your travel, and your insurance. Here's my pro tip. The single biggest reason people get rejected is not their grades. It's that they apply to programs that do not match their background. Before you spend hours on a motivation letter, read the program package. Ask yourself one question: does my degree actually qualify me for this? If the answer isn't a clear yes, pick a different program. What the current list of open Erasmus Mundus programs, sorted by field? Comment Erasmus below and I will send it to you for free. And if you are weighing other ways to build international experience while you wait on your results, check the volunteer mark tool at hub.trip.net. It's also free. One serious warning, because this scholarship is famous for being free and attracts scammers. No agent and no website can guarantee you admission. The real application costs you nothing, and it goes directly to the official program website. If someone asks you for money to secure your spot, that is a scam. always apply through the official Erasmus Mundus catalog. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this information. Don't give up on your dream. Keep chasing them. I'll see you in the next one.